Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Step-by-step guide in saving money on your Angkas app. So here I'll teach you how to save money using the Angkas app. So here, as you can see right now, you will see how to save money in your Angkas app. All you need to do is, of course, when you're here already in you're in the booking process, all you need to do is click on promo right there. As you can see, promo right there, just between cash and note to the biker, and click on that. After clicking on it, you will see all of these promos, but all of those promos have their conditions. For example, right here, there you go. So get 10% of deliveries from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Once we apply that, as you can see, sorry, it's not valid for this type of service because this only works for the delivery service, not the Angkas service. As you can see right here, now we're gonna find the Angkas service. Here we get a chance to win Angkas Blue Mass. One ride equals to 1 entry. Double entry for booking between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can use that. Or here you can do the Angkap Cars Pa. Here you go, get 50% off 3 rides. Cap limited redemption, as you can see right here. So this is a ride, so we can use this. So when we apply it, oh no, it doesn't work because it is a previous. Let's read it. Please select Angkars. Oh, it's a Angkars. That means it will only work on cars. Right there. As you can see right here, you can just click on this. There we go. As you can see, once we apply the promo and we have the correct promo for this, it will work and you will save money in your Angkas. So yeah, that's how you save money in your Angkas. Another way to do this to save money in your Angkas, just book a time that is not a rush hour. So rush hour, which means those are the time when people are, let's say, going to work or going to school and coming back from work and coming after school. So I suggest booking before that. Let's say you book around 2 to 4 p.m. And then in the morning, I think book a little bit late, around 8 to 10, somewhere, yeah, 8 to 10. And if you want it the very morning, I suggest booking from 3 to 5. Yeah, somewhere there. 3 to 5. Yeah, there you go. So, and you can also book at night, but not that night. So I think the traffic is very low at starting at 8 and above p.m. You can book right there. So there will be a lot of riders and the prices will be low because the traffic is not heavy. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.